Hey there, I'm Jackson, the new icon of Octoparse, your friendly helper for quick and easy web scraping. Today, we're going to explore one of my favorite templates in Octoparse, the Google Maps Listings Scraper template. It offers a super easy way to collect key location data, including business names, ratings, price ranges, categories, addresses, latitude and longitude, opening status, websites, phone numbers, and tags. Together, these data points paint a complete picture of the local business landscape, helping you understand not only who's out there, but also where the best opportunities might be. Let me show you how I use the Octoparse Google template to open a cat cafe in London. To figure out how we could open a successful cat cafe in London, I'm going to look at 3 key data layers. First, we'll check existing cat cafes. This helps us see who's already in the market, where they're located, and how well they're doing. Second, we'll look at tube stations. In London, easy access is everything. Third, we'll explore current pet stores. These show us where cat lovers are already shopping and living. The process to accurately pinpoint all Google Maps listings in London for these 3 keywords and octoparses is actually very straightforward. First, open Octoparse and head to the template section on the home screen. Look for the Google Maps Listings Scraper template. You'll usually see 2 options, one by keywords and one by URLs. For this example, we'll use the by keywords template so we can reuse the same setup for all 3 data layers. Click it to load the template. To begin, let's focus on the first type of data. We want to collect all the cat cafes that are already operating in London. First, under Confirm Target Site, make sure you select the United Kingdom so your results stay within the right region. Next, type in Cat Cafe in London into the search field to tell the scraper exactly what to look for. Then, give your task a clear descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Once everything looks good, click Start to launch the task and get your data ready for export. You don't need to configure any HTML or write XPath yourself. The template already knows how to loop through Google Maps listings and auto-scroll to load more results. And when it is finished, you can export the data and save it as a CSV file. Here's how your dataset will end up: neatly organized, easy to read, and ready to plug into your next analysis. By following the same steps, you can easily collect data for the next 2 keywords. Simply fill in keywords Ubway in London's and Pet Store in London's, then export the data. In the end, you will gain 3 complete CSV format tables. Each CSV is organized into clear, consistent columns: business or station name, full address, latitude and longitude, contact details, category, ratings, and other key attributes, all lined up row by row, giving you a structural view of accessibility and potential around different areas. You can drop them straight into Excel, BI dashboards, or mapping tools, and immediately start cross-referencing, overlaying cat cafes with tube stations, lining up pet stores with target neighborhoods, and building your own views on where the best opportunities are. Now that we've mapped all 3 datasets together, we can start thinking like a location strategist rather than just looking at dots on a map. The Cat Cafe layer shows us where the existing players are concentrated. The underground station layer reveals how the city is stitched together by public transport. The Pet Store layer highlights areas where people already spend money and time on animals. Together, these 3 layers give us a first-pass picture of competition, accessibility, and pet-friendly demand across London. The CSV files we gain from the Octoparse Google Map Listings template let us read the city intelligently. With clear data visualized information, we can look for areas that are surprisingly empty of cat cafes, yet criss-crossed by underground stations and dotted with pet stores. That's how you go from "I don't know how to pick a site" to a structured, data-backed story about where a new cat cafe in London actually makes sense. Overall, Octoparse's Google Maps Listings template gives you a fast way to turn scattered map results into structured, analysis-ready data. If you're interested in exploring locations, testing ideas, or just understanding a city better, it's worth trying this template yourself. Pick a few keywords, export the listings, plot them on a map, and see what new patterns and opportunities you discover.
Octoparse, an easy web scraper for anyone.